Dare to compare. White beauty. Extremely versatile. If you demand the best things in life, this 2008 Honda Odyssey is the do-it-all van for you. The all-around performance of this superb Odyssey is sure to make it a favorite among our more educated buyers. Here at Ralph Shop Automotive we do things a bit differently. WOULDN? It'd be nice to have a salesperson be more concerned about your needs instead of theirs? Come experience our salaried sales staff and be heard. We offer a 48-hour peace-of-mind return policy. All vehicles undergo an excellent reconditioning program that gets it right the first time. Most importantly, we shop our competition every day and offer our best price up front posted on the vehicle. We don't tag or add any surprise fees to the price like dealer handling or dealer prep. Here at Ralph Shop, what you see is what you get. It's that easy. Ralph Shop Automotive. One price, one promise, one customer at a time. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.